We now welcome Christina, Adrian, and Kim McDaniel with PAM Health Victoria. Welcome to Community Crossroads.
So glad to be here, Carolina.
Well, I'm happy to see y'all, and I invited y'all especially to reflect on all of the work PAM Health has done in collaboration with other medical healthcare giants in our community. So it's just amazing. Let's go ahead and start with the Heart Walk. And I know a little bit of Jingle Bell Run contributed to that success. And the Heart Walk, y'all raised a record amount here in Victoria.
That's right. So DTAR was the presenting sponsor and Bernard Leger was the chair, and he invited me to be on the executive leadership committee. And we really just, took this initiative and made it, such a high importance for our community just because of the funding that goes towards the research, get with the guidelines to, treat stroke and heart attacks, and also for, preventing just heart disease and stroke at a young age for children, preventing vaping. So we really took this seriously for our community because we know it's an issue. We raised over $35,000 just for PAM alone. Total, I think we almost achieved $130,000 for our community.
Wow,
yeah, it was amazing.
$135,000 from the Art Walk. And what was it like being out there?
It was so great. It was a perfect day, and then just having the community come and getting out there and walk. What better way to really raise awareness of heart disease and stroke than walking?
And is it set for the same day next year, or we don't know yet?
We don't know yet. We know it's going to be in February, and Brittany Sandbuck, who is the Heart Walk rep from the American Heart Association, she's actually going to be here next week on April 5th to present PAM with a Top Company Award. And we're going to do a recap, and we're going to start planning the summer for next year.
And on top of everything raised for the Heart Walk, Ukraine. Wow. Who could have anticipated that we would need to do a drive for Ukrainian refugees?
Right. And a huge thank you to the Victoria Television Group for partnering with us. It was incredible the amount that was donated by the community, the churches, the realtors, everyone that came together with us to be able to send nearly 10,000 pounds from the Crossroads in about a week and a half. Toyota Victoria graciously, within about 5 minutes of me walking in to speak with them, they said, absolutely, we're in. And we did the stuff the truck with y'all and using their Tundra, the drive-through people. And I spoke with the greatest citizens of our community. We cried together, laughed together. It was just a great, great day. And people just wanted to help. And it was great for us to be able to educate the community on PAM Health, who we are, what we do, so that the community is aware of what we provide. So it was a great day.
Yeah, it just sounds so incredible, and a fast turnaround too. What was the planning like?
Well, the planning was very, I guess what they say, we work best under pressure. So that was a great example. It just, and collaborating with James.
Our news director, James Munoz.
James Munoz did great. And it just worked out. We were just taking the steps of action to do something good. And usually those things just kind of take care of themselves. And I was just personally blown away by the response, and I know everyone else was.
Well, it's great that your collaborative efforts, not just with other medical, healthcare agencies, but with local businesses. You're really holding up that mirror to the generosity that's here in our community. You're calling it out, and I just think it's just wonderful, and it helps people feel even more connected to what's going on overseas.
Yes, it's just heartbreaking to see on the news, just the people who lost everything.
Today, earlier in the week, the melting snow for water.
Yes. So this is just a little something that we can do just from our community. But even outside of Victoria, the Walmart in Port Lavaca donated toys for the children in Ukraine. So it was really amazing to see just the overall response.
And you don't think about toys being necessary to start your day or part of basic hygiene, but it's a necessary part of being a child.
Right. For children, it's comforting. So, and it's a distraction. It's a positive distraction from the terror that's going on around them.
Well, thank y'all so much for everything that y'all have done in the community and will continue to do, I'm sure.
Yes.
All right, and coming up, don't go anywhere. We learn about how we celebrated 100 years of Ashley Furniture in Victoria. Don't go anywhere.